everyone, and welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to be messing with our impression dies again. And as you can probably tell, we're going to be using our Brayer because I've seen a lot of people say that this is the hack, the magic solution to all things impression dies. I also know that a lot of people are saying I am not willing to go through anything other than what is supposed to happen, put the ink on, run it through, and that's it. But for those people who say, well, I'm still trying to work with my impression dies, I still want to see what can be done, if there's a way to make this work, I am now going to try the Brayer technique. So here we go. Let's get started. So the first one I want to try is going to be the Agent Blue on the airplane. I'm going to take my Brayer. I got this Brayer at Hobby Lobby, and I'll link it in the description below. And then the most important thing, I believe, is to make sure that it's completely covered in ink and that it is evenly covered. I'm gonna go ahead and run it through the Empress anyway. I got new mats, you guys. I'm so excited. So these should cut, and if they're not cutting, run it through my mini Empress machine. So today is the 8th of June, and there is a crafting event happening on HSN right now. Did you guys order anything? I ordered a few things. I'm very disappointed that almost all of the Anna Griffin stuff is on extended delivery, so I guess I'll have to wait for that. But here we go. Here's the airplane. So it's not messy, and it looks pretty good. Tell me what you guys think in the comment section about the airplane and how it turned out. Okay, moving on. I want to do this medallion die and see how that one turns out. I'm also going to be using the Agent Blue. This looks so good. It covered all the areas. Everything has ink on it. There's not ink all on the outside. Yeah, I'm really liking this. Okay, let's now try the Canal Blue with the award die. Do you guys cut into your magnetic mats, or do you not cut into your magnetic mats? Let me know in the comments. So this is the Canal Blue. It's a very soft one, but it did make the impression and it didn't get messy all over the die. So if you're looking to do some impression dies and get a really crisp, clean look, I would recommend getting a brayer. Now, I do want to try something that someone suggested to me, which was called second generation stamping. And so I'm going to use periwinkle here, and I'm just going to take this and press down. This is what I got. I think I might want to try it with a darker color. It's hard to see it on the lighter ones. Take it off and then run it through again. Okay, well, here we have something. First generation, second generation. Darker, deeper. You see more of the splotchiness on the outer corner, but the second generation is lighter, and because of that, the splotchiness isn't as noticeable. I wonder if we could get a third generation out of this stamp, or out of this die. Let's try and run it through one more time. What happens? Oh wow, it's still going. Okay, so here was our second generation, and here's our third generation. So it's still giving us impressions even going through the third time. They just get a little lighter every single time. What do you guys think about that? Wonder how many more times we could send it through. I'm gonna try one more time. Yeah, and it's still giving us impressions. That's so good. So just know that you can get multiple impressions. They just get lighter and lighter using this. And that was a darker color. So if it's a lighter color, you may not be able to run it through as many times and get results. All right, I really like that test. So that's with the brayer and with first and second, third, fourth generation die cutting. Now let's go ahead and make a card with our impression dies. As you can probably see from the impression dies that we are working with, the card is going to be a masculine card. And we have multiples of these. And so I'm gonna just get rid of those and use the award here and the medallion here, and probably not the airplane. the impression dies. Tell me what you guys think about the Brayer technique. Did you already send yours back? Will you be using it? Is it too much work for you? I think it did a beautiful result and you get an amazing card from it. And I will be getting probably a different Brayer because I don't think I love the Brayer that I have, but I liked it. So let me know in the comment section below what you guys plan on doing with the Brayer technique or with your impression dies. And have an awesome day. Bye.